Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Vape and Juice TV. So today we're going to be going over how to blow really big dank clouds. So you know when you're on the street and you see big clouds everywhere, that's what we're going to be covering today. So my current setup is a 4S PWM LiPo, basically a car battery if you want to call it that. Pushing out about 15.7 volts right now, and it's an RDA as well. So it ramps up pretty quickly. But you don't need something that ramps crazy. I'm just a bit of a freak, I guess. I just kept upgrading because I love it. So there it is at 100%. So in terms of blowing the big clouds, it's mainly airflow, really nice coil build. So I'd say get into RDAs, RDTAs, make sure you're getting a lot of surface area as well. Surface area is key when it comes to getting more vapor. And so I'll blow you a quick cloud. And my airflow is open enough so to where I enjoy it. It isn't too airy, it isn't too tight. So it's like personal preference in a sense. You'll kind of like feel what is right for you, so you can take a really big hit and get that vapor out there. So that works really well for me, and that's how I get my big clouds out there. And personally, I love it, the flavor, the vapor. I'm a cloudist. That's the adjective I use to describe myself. I love it. Anyways, this has been Vape and Juice TV. Quick video on how to blow big clouds. Thank you.